wanted to record a little video for you to tell you about Google Optimiser and what it is. In a nutshell, it allows you to split test and multivariate test your web pages. What this means is that you can send like 50% of your traffic to one version of a page and 50% of your traffic to another version of a page, thus testing different things like different words or different images and working out which one is going to sell more stuff or is going to get more opt-ins or whatever. So you can start testing scientifically what makes your site successful, and it's a lot better to do this rather than guessing, because you can get some really good results and you can really move forward. Now, in order to use this kind of tool, you really need to be getting a decent amount of conversions, because you really need about 200 conversions to get a decent idea about what is a confident result. So if you're only getting 1 to 2 sales a day, it's not very useful. But if you're getting a good amount of sales per day, it's certainly something that's worth looking into. Okay, so I've done this is the Google Optimiser screen, and you have your tests here, and I've just set up an example test here so you can have a look. And once you've set it up and put the code on your pages, you have the original, and then you can add variations. So I've added a variation and just changed a bit of the HTML here. And if I click on preview over here, it'll show those two tests, and this is what the website is looking like at the moment. So it's just a very simple page with a one word on it, just to show you what it'll do. And if I flick between the combinations, you'll see that I'm changing the word happy to sad. So I would be sending 50% of visitors to the one that said sad, and 50% of visitors to the one that said happy, and I could work out from that, because I've got Google Optimiser gives you some code to go on the conversion page. You can then work out whether the sad or the happy words make people buy more. And based on that information, you can then do some follow-up testing to work out what extra you could do. So if you sell, for example, men's and women's products, do you want to have both a picture on the home page of just a man, or a man and a woman, or just a woman? What's going to give you the biggest sales? What type of images do they want to see? Do they want to see lifestyle shots? Do they want to see people doing specific things? You can kind of get really granular into it and start to get very specific, and that will raise your conversion rate, because once you know what people want to see, you can replicate that in all your marketing. And it's a very powerful tool to start getting really scientific and some definite knowledge about what is going to make your website convert. So it's a tool I use a lot. So if you have any questions, let me know.